Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and heading straight to Privacy or Permissions. This targets the source. Once there, tap Permission Manager, then choose Microphone or Recording categories so you see which apps or system features currently have access. Make sure to locate an entry labeled Essential Recording or any system-level recorder. This is the control you will turn off. Doing this first narrows the surface and prevents accidental disabling of unrelated features. Proceed only when you can see the recorder listed. Once you've found the essential recording entry, tap it and read the permission details so you understand what stops working. Then toggle off microphone or recording access for that entry, or use the Disable/Turn Off button for the system feature. When a confirmation dialog appears, accept it. This ensures the OS revokes any background recording privileges. After disabling, scan the app permission list to confirm no third-party app still holds recording permission that could re-enable the behavior. To finalize, reboot the phone so system services fully reload without recording privileges. This prevents cached services from continuing. Once restarted, inspect Quick Settings and the running apps list to ensure no recorder shortcut or persistent notification remains. If you still hear or see recording activity, go back to Permission Manager and choose Reset App Permissions. This wipes all app-level permissions so you can re-grant only what you trust. Troubleshooting tip: if resetting fails, Safe Mode isolates third.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.